Today I want to share with you how you can frame your keepsake recipe cards. My grandmother passed away last year and I wanted to make sure I had some of her recipes to frame. The first thing I did is I picked up a rustic picture frame that goes with my decor. It is a 5x7 frame and I purchased it from Walmart. And I intend to add a mat to the inside of the frame so that I can really get a nice look whenever I put in my recipe card. This picture frame I like because it allows you to hang the picture or you can set it on a shelf. It has the ability to hang or to sit upright in portrait or landscape format. The next thing you need are your mats. And these are prestige mats that I got from Walmart, and they are for a 5x7 frame, but they also have a 4x6 or a 3.5x5 mat inside. And for this particular project, we are going to use the 3.5x5 mat. The next step was to choose which recipe I wanted to add to my frame. The next thing you want to do is take the backing off of your picture frame. So you just simply take the tabs and peel them up and take off the back side of your frame so that you can get to the glass and also get to the paper that's inside of the back of the frame. Once you have the back off of your frame, you simply take out the paper backing that came inside and set it to the side. We're going to use that later. The next step is to choose your mat. Now remember, there are two mats inside of this package. There's one that's a little bit larger and there's one that's a little bit smaller. We're going to use the smaller size mat. That is the 3.5x5 size mat that you're going to add to your picture frame. Simply place your mat front side down on the glass on your picture frame. It's important to make sure that you have the proper side facing the front of the glass. Once your mat is in place, it's time to add your recipe card. And I've chosen one of my favorite recipes that I've made several times that my grandmother used to make all the time, and it's a really special recipe, and I'm so glad to now be the keeper of this. After you have your recipe card in place, you want to take the piece of paper we set to the side earlier that came with the frame and set the white side down facing the glass. The reason that we're doing this is because our mat was a 3.5x5 and our index card is a 3x5. So this is going to cover up any of the white area that may still be showing. Then you want to simply take the back of your picture frame and place it back inside of the back of the frame. Once you've placed the back on the frame, you're now complete. And as you can see, I have this wonderful handwritten recipe card from my grandmother that I can treasure forever.